Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu reports, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions put on the ihram for Hajj, and none of them had a sacrificial animal save the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Talha. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu came from Yemen and he had a sacrificial animal along with him. He said, I have put on the ihram for the same purpose which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have donned for. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted his companions permission to convert it into Umrah, get the hair clipped and performing the tawaf of Allah's house and take off the ihram except for the person who has a sacrificial animal. Some of them said, we will go to Mina in a state that the penis of any one of us will be dripping. When this news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, if I had known beforehand what has transpired now, I would not brought the sacrificial animal. And if I had not brought a sacrificial animal, I would have taken off the ihram. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha had a period. She had performed all the rituals of Hajj except the circuit of Allah's house. When she got clean, she performed the tawaf. She submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people will return after performing Hajj and Umrah both, whereas I with only Hajj. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr to go to Tan'im along with her. So she performed Umrah in Zulhajj. After the Hajj, Hazrat Suraqa bin Malik bin Josham met the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Aqaba when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was throwing pebbles. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is it specific only for you? He said, no, but forever. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1785.